Hello friends, welcome to yet another live stream. Today's live stream is again based on simplification problems, and this topic has been really in demand, the live streams on simplifications, because it involves a lot of short tricks and a lot of fun when everybody participates, and everybody um, expects him or her to be the first one to give me the correct answer. That is really good competition. So I'll welcome the new members just now. Let others join in. And as I say hello to everybody who has joined in, and good evening. And you know the traditional way of starting the live stream, right? You need to share the live link with your contacts, your WhatsApp groups, so that they can also join in. So even I will do that just now. And in the meanwhile, even you can share the live link with your friends. And I'll give you the warm-up question also simultaneously for those who have already shared it. This is the first question, that is the warm-up question for today. Okay, so where is the first question now? This is a mixed question of decimals and percentages. So this is question number 1. You need to find 35% of 926.4 minus 342.8 plus 313.6. Okay, so you need to find 35% of this particular quantity, and let me know what answer you get on simplification of this particular question. Okay, now there's one subscriber, who comes in and clicks the unlike button. Somehow I'm not able to identify the particular person who dislikes the video as soon as he enters the live stream. So never mind, we want such kind of people, where that creates little bit of excitement in the live streams. Okay, so the people who have joined in, let's welcome them, friends, now. Pratham, Pooja, Lakshay, and then Mamta, Shubham, Pradeep, Naga Durgesh, Hardik, Royal Rishabh, Vara Prasad, Mr. Divakar, Mind Master Child. Okay, great. So these are the prominent people who have already joined in for the live stream, and I hope you'll have a good time today participating in this live stream. So as I wait for the first answer to come in for this particular question, let's see who is the first member to give me that particular answer. Okay, so I'll have to wait for some time today, because only 3-4 answers have come in, but very good to see that the 4 answers which I've got are exactly the same. Great. So this is what I want, everybody to answer the same, and that should be the correct answer. So I hope that particular answer is correct now. Okay. Yeah, Ajay Kumar, you can just and make an inquiry on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is mentioned here, 9896369963. So if you want the PDF, see, cost is also written here. All the details are here. So you can just see the details, and then obviously you can get in touch with me on WhatsApp for the PDFs. So where's the first correct answer? I need to see who will give me the correct answer first up. So 2-3 different answers have come up now. 210.1 by Pooja Bhanu, and then we have 314.02 as the prominent answer for this particular question. But all the same, we need to test it out, right? So where's the correct answer? Let's see. How do we actually get to the answer of this particular difference? You can add or subtract very easily. That PDF number 6 has given you a trick to add, subtract, and divide numbers, integers, large integers, very easily. So you can just consult that particular PDF for finding the answer of this question. Okay, now first of all, 926.4, and then we have to subtract 342.3, okay, sorry, 8 from this, and then add 313.6. So okay, this is 14, and 8 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 2, right? And 1 carry, and then we have 6. 2 is 4, 5 minus 2, 3, and 3, 6 plus 1, 7, and then we have 2 plus 4, 2 minus 4, 4, 14. I think it is 9, and then finally 9 minus 2, 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, okay, 8. So 897.2 is the simplified version of this bracket, and now we need to find 35% of this. So 35%, very easy now, just we have to multiply by 0.35, that is one way, and then you can obviously find it like this also, 3 into 10%, 10% of this is 89.72, and plus 5%, this is 10%, so if you take half of that, this will be 5%. So what is half of this? 4, and then 4.86. Okay, so here's the half of that, and now multiply this. This is 0.32 is 6, and then we have 3 7s are 21, 1 2 means 3 9s are 27, 29, 9 2 means 26, and 44.86. The answer will be here. So 2, and then we have a 0, 14, 11, 3. So 314.02. That was the answer I was getting from so many of you. And I'm sure you have also followed the same method which I have done it on the board. And you got to the answer very quickly. So more than 30 people watching and only 11 likes on the video, friends. You can just, that is the first thing you should do on live streams. Just click the like button so that I stay motivated. Okay. So some new names there. Rajiv Ali, welcome. And then we have one new name I announced before also. Okay, so all those who have joined in today only, they can click the like button, subscribe button, and the bell icon for getting the notifications. I welcome Dhara Parmar. Dhara Parmar, you have been in touch with me on WhatsApp, so all the best for your future, endeavors which you have been discussing with me. Okay, then we have Benny Binza Sangma. Okay, Benny Binza Sangma. I've seen you for the first time on the live stream. A big hello to you. And then we have Barigala Rajendra Kumar. Okay, 314.02. Indeed, the correct answer. But who gave me the correct answer first up? The first correct answer, 314.02, came from Sumati Saha. Again, it's that man, Sumati Saha. Very well done. I'm tired of taking your name on the top list. Here you are. And then we have Golu Aman Kumar coming up with the correct answer. And then Surya S, Tushar Chauhan, Pratham Vasist, Avdesh Pandey. These are all familiar names, right? Everybody knows their names now. I've been taking their names often and often on all questions. They are there, right? So these were the top 6 people who gave me the correct answer for this particular question. And let's have the next one. So massive earning. Okay, nice name there, massive earning. Hello to you, and I hope you have clicked the subscribe button and the like button. Click the bell icon for getting the notifications. Okay, this is question number 2 for today. Let's hurry up the questions. Let's not spend more time in discussions. So you need to tell me what is minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, bracket, bracket, and close. Let's have this answer. Now see, everything is half here, so you need to be very careful. These type of questions, they are very, very tricky. So everybody needs to be a little careful here. Don't, unnecessarily just get to the wrong answer here, because it's very easy to fumble on such questions. Okay, now see, 0, 1 by 16, minus 5 by 8. So already 3 different answers. Now that's what I meant by telling you that you need to be careful with these type of questions. Yeah, another 0 there. Then a minus 1 by 8 also, minus 7 by 8 also. Okay, 5, 6 different answers already from 8 people. But where is the correct answer? I'm looking for that exclusive correct answer. Another 7th answer now, 1 by 2, and 8th answer minus is vanishing there. 1 by 8. Okay, great. So this is going to be really interesting. Solving this one on the board will be quite a fun. As I invite more people on the channel to join in for the live stream, I expect you also to share the live link with your contacts. We have an audience of 40 already. We need to take it to 100 friends someday. I'm waiting for that particular day, and the credit for that has to go to you only, because you are the ones who promote the channel. You are the ones who speak good about the channel among the masses, so that others can also be benefited. Been working hard on the live streams, so everybody needs to you know promote the channel. Okay, -5/4, -5/8. Okay, friends, how many different answers we have got? I think countless different answers for this one, and this is going to be fun solving on the board. Let's see. Now see, this is a bar. So what does the bar vinculum sign mean? That we have to simplify the expression under the bar first. So this becomes 0, and if this is 0, then minus half minus 0 is minus half only, and minus half multiplied by minus half is 1/4. 1/4 into this is 1/8. So -1/2 minus 1/8, and this is 4 times. This is also 4 times. So this becomes -5/8, which is the correct answer. And now everybody, now if you want to go for deleting your answers, friends, you can. I'll give you a chance to delete your answers, and after that I'll announce the correct name, who gave me the correct answer for this one. -5/8 was the answer I was looking for this simple problem of BODMAS, and let's see who gave the answer correct now. -5/8 is the answer. Okay, so initially there were a lot of wrong answers and a lot of deletions already taking place. Okay, now, okay, who is that man who gave the correct answer first up? Okay, that's, I think, a lot of wrong answers there initially, all being deleted. Tushar Chauhan, very well done, Tushar. I just can't see you stay away from these right answers. So you are there always. So big thumbs up for you, Tushar. And then we have Ajit Rai getting it right, second up. Okay, great work, Ajit Rai there. Glad to see you getting there. And then Massive Earning, we have joined today only, and you are among the top 3. Great work there, Massive Earning. Very, very well done. And then Sumati Saha, don't need to mention your name, okay? And then Pratham Vasist also getting it right, 5 people. And then who else? It's Vara Prasad, 18. And then we have Acura. I don't know how to pronounce after that. So Acura, okay, well done. I think you've joined in today only, and you got that right, spot on. And then after that we have Rishabh Bahoria also. These were 6 or 7 top names who gave me the correct answer for this easy problem of simplification. I'll give you one more problem of such kind. Don't worry, lot of problems of BODMAS are going to come today for simplification. So this is question number 3 for today. So I'll start with a different expression now. Okay, this is -3/2 now. -3/2 -3/2 -3/2 -3/2 -3/2 -3/2 -3/2. Okay, now be very careful now. Now this is little difficult than the previous one, and everybody there is no vinculum sign here, so you need to be careful not to fumble here, because this is not easy, and I need the correct answer from the prominent people who have been there on the channel for long now. So everybody needs to come up with the correct answer quickly. Okay, as everybody is busy solving this one, I must tell you about the PDFs. All those who have joined in today only, they can send me a message on WhatsApp for acquiring these PDFs. Amazing PDFs, I must say. And they have created a revolution among masses. Everybody is crazy for these PDFs. Many copies in India and abroad sold for a meager amount. I need to keep that amount. I need to have a fee over this, because otherwise I'll be busy on my mobile throughout the day. So for those who have not acquired these PDFs, they can still send me a message on WhatsApp and acquire those PDFs. I'm sure they are going to benefit you for the entire life. These quantitative aptitude exams will become so easy for you if you study all those PDFs. So another PDF will be coming up tomorrow. That is the important topic of profit and loss. So I'll notify you when I release that PDF of profit and loss short tricks, very, very important one, and very much demanded. Okay. 9 upon 2, 648 upon 16, minus 69 upon 4, 15 upon 2, 81, minus 3 upon 9, minus 12. Okay, how many answers should I announce for this one? Lot of people answering this one, and again I'm getting so many different answers. So I think I have to restrict my simplification today to these rational numbers, fractions and rationals in PDF3. I've given all short tricks, so I'm testing whether you can do it correctly or not. And if you're not doing it correctly, then these PDFs are for you. These are something everybody needs to acquire. All those who have not clicked the like button on this live stream, kindly click that like button. It will take you only 1 second, but motivates the creators a lot. Fine. So I think a lot of answers have already come in for this one, and we need to get on with this particular question. Now, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. And if you multiply this, so this will become minus 3 by 2 minus minus plus, and this is 9 by 2. Okay. Why? Because I multiplied this. This bracket is multiplied by this. So minus 3 into minus 3 by 2 is plus 9 by 2. Okay. Now, if you simplify this curly bracket now, minus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 2, 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6 by 2 is 3. So up to this curly bracket, this becomes 3. Now, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2. Now we have this as negative, so minus 12 by 2, this is minus 6. Now finally we have minus 3 by 2, minus minus plus, and then we have 18 by 2, which is 9. So 9 2s are 18, 18 minus 3 is 15. So 15 by 2 is the answer for this particular question. So everybody who wants to delete their answers, they can carry on with the deleting the answers. And if anyone differs in opinion for this particular question, they can tell me where I went wrong in solving this particular question. So I don't think there can be a error in this. If at all there is, you can just let me know. Okay, so 15 by 2 is the answer which I was expecting for this particular question. And now see, some answers are coming in. Massive earning. Hardik, very smart there. After I have solved it on the board, you are posting it. Okay, so never mind. 15 by 2, just that's what was on the lighter side. And see the number of deletions going on there. Oh my God, this is something unusual on the channel. Very, very easy question. It was, right? So I'll be giving one more question now. This is something I need to test now, whether you are there with your skills of simplification correctly or not. So see the number of deletions there. That's quite upsetting also and interesting also. Okay, where's the first correct answer? It is Devendra Ratna Sai Kiran. 15 by 2 is indeed correct, and big thumbs up for you. See the number of answers being deleted around you, above you and below you. 15 by 2 is indeed the correct answer. You have given first up, and very, very good indeed. So after that, lot of wrong answers. 9 by 2 minus 12, 3 by 4, 9 by 2. I can't even read all the answers. And the second one to give me the correct answer is Munna Sadhu. Very, very well done, Munna. Yeah, all new people coming in and dominating these live streams. Very well done. So the second person was he. And then we have the two answers which came later on, Massive Earning and Hardik. It's very, very surprised, friends. I'm really quite yeah, you can all smile, you can all surely see and appreciate Sai Kiran and Munna there. These are the two people who came up with the answer in the first attempt, and they did not delete it. And that was really, really good. This question was really good. So I'll give it this question again in some other day on live stream. So let's see the next one. Now I need to stick to this particular type of question because all of you are getting it wrong. So this is the fourth question for today, and I need to test you now whether you can give this correctly. So I'm changing the quantity: minus 3 by 5, 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 and in the bracket minus 3 by 5. Okay, slight change, friends. Please be careful here. Slight change. I have changed the question a little bit, so all of you need to be careful here. So let's see who gets this particular question correct. I'm expecting some correct answers for at least this one. Don't want to see any wrong answers here. So finger crossed for this particular question. Okay, some answers coming in, but see the difference of opinion again cropping in, and this is really interesting, friends. This is something which I have never seen on the channel. Everybody getting different answers. I need some good ones there, good answers. Okay, 321 upon 625, 429 upon 625, then we have 13 upon 5 also, 12 upon 5, minus 156 upon 125, 44 upon 125, 18 upon 5. There's no, same answer by two or three people. I'm looking for that particular answer which is given, which has been obtained by, many of you, but I can't find that. So I'll give you 10-15 more seconds to work on this, and then I'll solve it on the board for you. You can verify your answers after that. So in the meanwhile, those who have not shared the live link, they can just share it with your friends so that you can have them also as your competitors, and your cooperation in this regard for bringing in new people on the channel will be greatly appreciated. And I depend on you for this. Lalita, welcome, Lalita Subramaniam, and then Guru, Surya, Shubham, everybody who has joined in just now, welcome on the channel. Okay, let's see. Now see, these two are actually multiplied. This minus 3 by 5 is multiplied by this. So I'll solve this part first. So this is minus 3 by 5, minus minus plus, and 9 by 25. So this is what comes in the curly bracket. Now, if you solve this, this is into 5 into 5, because I need to equate the denominators. So 9, okay, minus 15 plus 9 is minus 6 by 25. So I've simplified the curly bracket now. So let's multiply these two now. So in the bracket, we have minus minus plus, and then 6 threes are 18 upon 125. Now this comes in the square bracket. So I've simplified square bracket. So I need to multiply this. So minus 3 by 5 minus 18 threes are 54, and then 125 into 5 is 625. So I need to multiply this by 125 to make it 625. So same thing will come here also, 125. So minus of 375 minus of 54 upon 625. So your answer for the question is 924 and 625. So I hope somebody will give me the answer, minus 429 upon 625 for this question. And I'll give you a chance now. Delete all your wrong answers, friends. Let's see how many deletions are there. This is really something, very, very interesting on the channel. What I am watching right now is something which I've never seen, and so many wrong answers for basic questions of BODMAS. We all need to practice all these things. That means we are getting the answers wrong when it comes to competitive exams, and how will we qualify them? So after today's live stream, you need to feel comfortable with the rational numbers and their simplifications using BODMAS. Okay, so Sudarshan M, hello to you, and welcome on the channel, and I hope you enjoy this live stream as I announce the name of the people who gave me the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, a lot of comments being held up for review, because there is a fraction sign there, which normally comes in the hyperlinks, the address of the websites. So that is why that Those comments are being held for review, so I'll just allow those comments. Okay, great. Yeah, I think now everybody's comments are visible there. So where's that answer? Exclusive answer, minus 429 by 625. The first correct answer. Okay, see the number of deletions. This is really interesting. Okay, Tushar Chauhan, very well done, Tushar. And finally, you got it correct, right? Today was such a day, right? So minus 429 upon 625, and I think he was the only the third person to give me the answer. Other two got deleted, so he was the first one to give me that correct answer. After that, lot of wrong answers. Then where's that exclusive next correct answer? It is from Vara Prasad. Very well done, Vara Prasad. And then we have Shubham Adhuria. Okay, great, Shubham. You are third one today in this question, and I know you, even you didn't expect that, right? Because a lot of comments had come before you, but all the same, you got it correct also. Okay, so Lalita, please don't post again and again. The live stream will go according to its speed only. Okay. So next one, Ajit Rai got it correct, the fourth person to give me the correct answer, and after that it was Devinder Ratna Sai Kiran. Very well done, Sai Kiran. These were the five people, followed by Rishabh Bahuria, sixth person to give me the correct answer for this one. So very interesting question. And after that, lot of right answers are there. And I love that, people appreciating each other and praising each other to, getting that particular question correct. So this was the fourth question, I think. So let's have the next one now. So I'll restrict my live stream to 1 hour. So I won't count the number of questions which I'm giving. I'm just carrying on with the live stream. Okay. So let's have same question in terms of the mixed fractions now. This is simplification again. 2 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 3 plus, okay, we have a curly bracket, sorry, 2 1 by 3, 2 1 by 3, 2 1 by 3. Okay, now you need to be careful. These are, tactical questions, and often in RRB, NTPC and SSC CGL exams, you find these kind of questions just to test you. So as I wait for some answers to come in for this one, I wish and hope that you have taken the PDFs, paid PDFs, which are mentioned on the board here. Everybody needs to acquire them, and they will help you a great deal in understanding these simplifications, which you can do very easily through the short tricks which are given in the PDF files. Okay. So number of answers again for this one, and this is getting ridiculous, friends. And 287 by 3, 896 by 27, and then we have 749 by 27. Okay, so 854 by 9. Okay, 749 by 27, also 101 by 9. 847 by 27 is 820. I don't know. Wow, I don't know which one is gaining majority. I'm just feeling as if, today I'm dealing with some new people there, who are beginning to learn this thing. You have been there on the channel for so many days now. You need to get it right in the first attempt, friends. Come on. Okay, so all those who have not clicked the like button, they can click the like button, because I'm enjoying this one, and when we the creators enjoy bringing the live streams to you, everybody enjoys this. So just take a while and click the like button. And if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and send me a WhatsApp message. If you want all the short tricks in PDFs, these are minor, small PDFs, booklets, which I have made specially for you, so that you don't have to pay in bulk. You can pay according to your needs, and just send me a message on WhatsApp number 9896369963. So as I just try to give you the correct answer for this one. Fine. So let's go on with the answer of this one. So I'll reduce it to a normal form, normal rational number form, and then we will have the answer to this one easily. So this is actually 2 1 by 3 is 7 by 3, right? So 7 by 3 plus 7 by 3 is 14 by 3, right? And now another 7 by 3 to be multiplied with this. So lot of numerator is going to be a big one, I think. So 7 into 4 is 20. Okay, 98, right? 14 sevens are 98. And then we have upon 9. So nothing is cancelling here. So I have simplified this part and then multiplied it by 7 by 3. So curly bracket is gone now. So let's have this one. 7 by 3 plus 98 by 9. So what do I need to do? Take LCM. So this is 21. So if you add these two, 21 and 98 is 119. And in the denominator, we have the 9. So I've simplified this part now. Now I need to multiply it by this 7 by 3 again. Now 9, 10, 11. So this is not cancelling. So I need to multiply, and then final step 7 by 3 plus what is the product of these two? 7 9 the 63, 3 6, 7 1 the 7 13, and 7 1 the 7 13, 3, then 1 and 8. So 833 upon 27, and finally into 9 they makes it 27, and into 9. So I need to add 63 to this, right? So 896 upon 27. Now that's the answer for this amazing question of simplification. And now I'll give you a chance to delete your answers, friends. So all those who did not get 896 upon 27, it makes me makes easier for me to announce the results. So you can just delete your comments if you have got it wrong, and I'll have only the list of good comments there. I mean, the comments which are correct. Okay, what happened to Shalu? Okay, friends, I'll tackle this issue. Don't worry. Just concentrate on the live stream. Okay, 896 upon 27. That's the answer I was looking for. So where is the first correct answer here? The first correct answer, 896 upon 27. Okay, so I need to go scroll up quite a lot. 896 upon 27 is the answer given by Tushar Chauhan again. Great work there, Tushar. Somehow, you are there on the top every time. And this is something unusual. And so many people give answer before you also, but they are all wrong. And finally, what name I do have to announce? It's Tushar Chauhan. So very well done. So everybody need to appreciate this person, give him a thumbs up. Come on, friends. Okay. So Munna, you got it right. The second person to give me the correct answer, followed by Aman Kumar Golu, and then Shalu Jadda getting it right. And then we have Guru Surya and Hema Rawat. These were the top 6 people who gave me the correct answer for this amazing question of simplification. So I've given 3-4 questions of the same type. That is because I was getting so many different answers. But again, in this question also, lot of different answers have come up. So I'll give you one more simplification problem, but this time no brackets. Okay. So very well done. All those who's Avdesh Pandey, I can understand you wrote 899 there, but never mind. Let's have the next question, and you can do it this time, friends. If you did not get it right, then this question is for you. Let's see. Simplification question. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 minus 7 by 15 upon 2 by 3 plus 7 by 9 minus 1 by 15. Okay. Now, a tactical question again. Watch the question carefully and then try to solve this one. Because if you start doing it again without thinking, then this is going to consume a lot of time. Okay, finally we have some answers, 2 by 21, 2 by 31, two different answers. 2 by 31 by so many people and then 2 by 21 by many of you. Okay, 4 by 19 by Mr. Divakar there, and you all need to be very careful, friends. When he comes up with a different answer, you need to check your answers. Mr. Divakar and then who else? Sumati, they are having the same opinion here. So 4 by 19, okay, very, very interesting to note this thing now. So we need to see, friends, now who is correct for this one. This is not a tough question at all. It has to be a test of speed, and everybody who is watching this one, they need to be very, very sharp at this. This is not something unusual or something involving lengthy formulas, lengthy calculations. This is a basic question, but everybody who is watching this, everybody is not getting the answers correctly. That's what happens when we try to develop the speed. Okay, Jack Frost, welcome. Suresh Babu, welcome. Gopi Chandu, okay, some new names there, and I always feel so happy, when there are new names on the channel watching the live streams. And just click the like button, friends, and if you can subscribe the channel and click the bell icon, you will get the notifications of all the future uploads and the live streams which I conduct every day at 15 p.m. for you all. Okay, totally free of cost, but the PDFs are not free, friends. So this is something which carries a nominal cost, and all the short tricks which I use, I've uploaded on the channel are compiled in a compact form, in a well understandable form in these PDFs. So all those who have not acquired the PDFs, just send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. That's the number you need to use, and I'll tell you the process of getting to those. Okay. Now, one thing is for sure that I don't want the LCM here, because 3, 9, 15 and 3, 9, 15 are ultimately going to cancel out. But why I need it? Because I need to find the numerator also. So 3, 9, 15, I don't want to consider this 3 because it is a divisor of 9. What about 9 and 15? 15 is not divisible by 9, neither is 30, but 45 is. So 45 is the LCM of the three denominators. So what about the numerators? See, 45 divided by 3 is 15, into 1 is 15. 45 divided by 9 is 5, 2s are 10. 45 divided by 15 is 3, 7s are 21. And in the denominator, 45 divided by 3 is 15, 2s are 30. 45 divided by 9 is 5, 7s are 35. And 45 divided by 15 is 3, 1s are 3. Now, this is a simple calculation you need to do. Where was the problem in this? And I don't know why people faltered here, and why they have given me the explanation that we have to find the denominator also. The LCM is not 90, friends. It is 3. It is 45, sorry. Okay, so this is 25 minus 19, which is 4. 25 minus 21, which is 4. And in the denominator, 35, 65, and 62. Now I can cancel a common factor here. So 2 upon 31. Is that the answer? 2 upon 31? Okay. So where is the correct answer? So as I say hello to Hiki and uh, Jack Frost, okay, that comment has been held for review. Kindly don't post those kind of messages. I want everybody to be sharp, irrespective of caste, religion, or the country you live in. Everybody should be, good enough, and everybody should have that kind of skills which are required to lead a happy life. Okay, so okay, please no arguments on the channel. Let's see 2 upon 31, where's that first correct answer? And everybody should be curious to know the name of the person who gave me the correct answer. 2 upon 31. And initially I have a lot of wrong answers. I don't know from where that 21 came in the denominator for so many people. I think some copy paste is going on here, because I can see one answer coming up and then same answer being copied by so many people. But that's not done, friends. 2 upon 31 is the answer which I'm looking for, and it came from Munna. Very well done, Munna. And some finally a different name apart from Tushar Chauhan. Well done, Munna. And then we have the same answer coming from Devendra Sai Kiran, very well done. And then Sudarshan M getting that right, the third person to give me the correct answer. And after that, Abhitatha Roy, finally you are here, fourth person to give me the correct answer. And then Tanish Bhamre, it was glad chatting to you on WhatsApp today, Tanish, and you're rocking, and all the best for your final exams, right? Hema Rawat getting it correct too after that. So these were the top 5 or 6 people who gave me the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, then okay, let's have the next question now. I don't want to get indulged into any kind of arguments there. I'm here for a purpose and I need to solve that purpose. So next question of simplification involving the mixed fractions. Again, the similar kind of question, but now we have the mixed fractions. So let's have the question. 3 upon 7 plus 4 6 upon 7 minus 13 upon 14 upon 9 upon 14 minus 4 3 upon 7 plus 8 upon 7. Okay, now the question is again tactical, so you need to be very, very careful here. So let's see. The answers for this one. Let me just tell you about the live stream timings. It's 8:15 p.m. that I come live every day, and a lot of my friends wait for that particular moment. They are just there every day. Okay, minus 61 upon 37, then in between minus 61 upon 27 also, and then minus 61 upon 69, 61 upon 39, 4, minus 61 upon 37, and then minus 61 upon 45. Okay, already some difference of opinion coming in for this particular question also. Minus 61 upon 37 is gaining majority rather. So I need to see which one of those is correct. A lot of people answering this one, but again difference of opinion, and this is something which I have seen for the first time on the channel. The similar type of questions getting me different answers. Okay, so I think I need to, yeah, LCM will be 14. That is an obvious thing. So let's solve this one. Let me just get rid of this the two mixed fractions. This will be 3 by 7 plus 7 fours are 28, 34. 34 by 7. Okay, 34 plus 3 is 37, right? So I'll write it as 37 by 7 minus 13 by 14 upon. Now 9 by 14. So what is this? This is 28, 31 by 7. So minus 31 plus 8 is minus 23 by 7. So I've reduced a major portion of this. This is, I think I've written it wrong. This is 7. Okay. Now, let's simplify this further. Multiply this by 2 and this by 2. This by 2 and this by 2. And then get rid of all the denominators. Now, here's your answer in the next step. This is 74 minus 13, 9 minus 46. Right? 74 minus 13 is 61. And in the denominator, we have the negative sign upon, and 46 minus 9 gives you 37. So here's your answer for the question. Minus 61 upon 37 is the answer which I was looking for. Okay. So yeah, so I need to say goodbye to Jack Frost here. Thanks for visiting the channel. And it's been enough of the rubbish you have been posting here. Okay. Yeah, I think that's much better now. So I don't want people to come for a casual chat here. This is not a portal for, having a casual chat. Okay. So I need to announce the name of people who gave me the answer. Minus 61 upon 37. That's the answer I was looking for. And where is that? Yeah. Okay. So it's goodbye to Hickey also. Thank you, Hickey, for visiting this channel. Yeah, but you were not there for the right purpose. Thank you. Okay, so minus 61 upon 37. Where's that correct answer? A lot of answers coming in initially, and a lot of them getting deleted also. So the first correct answer came from that man again, Tushar Chauhan. Well done, Tushar Chauhan. This is something unusual. Every time I give different types of question, the same person comes in and tells me the correct answer. All the credit to you, Tushar. You will rock in your life one day. Let me tell you. Stay in touch, and I want to witness that moment of success. Okay, and Munna, you are rocking today, Munna, and I must appreciate this, and everybody should. He has joined in 2 or 3 days back only, and he is just rocking. Okay, then we have Abhitatha Roy. Very, very well done. I'm always pleased to have these people answering these type of questions so quickly. Then we have Guru Surya coming up with the correct answer, followed by Shalu Chadda, massive earning, and then Pratham Vasista. Okay, 6 people, all familiar names there on the channel and getting it correctly. So very, very well done. This is something very good. Let's see now. Okay, Sudarshan, I don't know what you are talking about, and okay, you are saying that you are first. Okay, let me just check it once more. Minus 61 by 37, Tushar. No, according to my chat, I think it is Tushar only. So I can't do that, please. Yeah. So let's have the next question. We have very less time. How much time? See, 10 minutes left on the live stream. So we need to have 2 more questions at least. Let's have a another question now, in which you need to be careful and you need to do it quickly and accurately. So you need to tell me 76% of 1/3 of 85% of 746. Okay, now The question is not easy, friends. So I'm expecting a lot of different answers for this one also, and I don't want that. But yeah, I know within my heart that this is going to fetch a lot of different answers. Okay, for all those who have sent me the messages on WhatsApp, they can just wait for the live stream to get over. Then I'll surely reply to your answers on WhatsApp. And for all those who have not sent me WhatsApp messages, they can just try and send me WhatsApp messages so that they can procure those PDFs which I have written on the board. They will be just amazing for you for competing against the best in competitions, and RRB, NTPC, SSC, CGL, NTSC, CTET. These are the examinations you will be targeting through these PDFs, and you will be developing a lightning quick speed of calculations. So that's my guarantee to you. But you need to put in hours and hours of practice. Even I've done that. This is not a stage which I have reached in one day. This is something which I have practiced over and over again, committed a lot of errors, and then again started with the same thing. Okay, so let's see the answers now. Okay, now 3 people answering, 4 rather, now 5, 6, and all same answers. Now this is something very unusual. Whenever I start expecting different answers, you start giving the same answer. Okay, Gopinath, very well done. Let's see, you have rounded that up to the exact number, and then many people rounding it up to 2 decimal places, then 4 decimals also. Okay, David L, you can improve your speed of calculation for bank exams, by just participating all these live streams and acquiring all these PDFs. The detail are written here. You need my WhatsApp number 9896369963. I shall reply personally to you. And minor cost of the PDFs, you can bear that. And bank exams will be a cakewalk for you. I can guarantee you that. Hundreds of students have qualified banking exams after attending the channel, seeing the YouTube videos, acquiring these PDFs. They tell me on WhatsApp about their success. So it's a endless list of candidates. So get on with this one, David, and you can acquire these PDFs. Okay, so 160.63, that is the answer which I'm getting. Let's have the analysis of this. Okay, Mamta Ben, yeah, welcome on the channel, Mamta, and you are late today for the live stream, but never mind, you are one of the prominent viewers, I know, the subscribers on the channel. Okay, so let's see this one. Now you need to find 85% of this first. Now this is something, what I can do is I'll find 15% of this and subtract it from 746. That is one way of doing it, but you can find 85% all the same directly. So 746 multiplied by 85. Now this is something you need to do quickly. 6 5 30, 03 carry. It is a 48, 51, 61, 71, 17 carry, 35, 42. 42 and 32 is 74, 4, 7 carry. And then we have 56 and 763. So 63410, and percentage means this. So this is 634.1. And now 1/3 means you need to divide it by 3, right? So you will get 211.11 means 3, and 20 means, so I'll round it off to 7. Okay, 211.37. Now I need to find 76% of this number. So 21137, I need to multiply it by 76. So let's do it the traditional way now. 7 6 are 42, 2 4 6 3 are 18, 22, 2 2, 6 1 are 6 7 8 6 12, then 7 7 are 49, 9 4 25, 5 2 9 7 14. So 2 1 1 means 9 5 13, 14, 4 1 means 16, 6 1, 10 means 0 1, and then 6 and 1. So we have 1 2 3 4, 4 means 160.64, 63 or 64. I like accept both answers because I rounded it off here. So I think you have given me the correct answer, exact answer, 160.63. I'll accept that. And who gave me the correct answer for this one? I think analysis has already been done by so many people there. They all are monitoring who is giving the first correct answer. And Sumati Saha, again, very well done, Sumati. And then Shubham Madhurya, you got it right too. And then Vara Prasad, Guru Surya, and then Abhitatha and Shalu Chadda, Gopinath, massive earning. These were the prominent names who got the answer correctly. So let's see how many right answers are there after that. Lot of right answers. So let's have the final question for today, friends. And I'm right on time today, right? 55 minutes. Okay, so we have the final question coming up. This is a simple question of percentage. Now you need to do it quickly. Tell me 99% of 84 plus 11% of 21432 minus 25% of 760. Okay, now a question based on short tricks for percentages and short trick for multiplications. Need to see who will get this one correct. Okay, some answers are already here. 2250.67. That's the answer I'm getting for this particular question. Gopinath is differing in opinion 2438.78. There's a difference in the decimal places, so never mind, because people tend to round off the answers. Okay, so I think I need to quickly solve it on the board because just 2 minutes left for 1 hour live stream to get over. How do we find 99% of something? You know, you just need to subtract 1 from this. This is 83, and then 9 minus 8 is 1, and 10 minus 4 is 6. So, and put a decimal. 83.16 is the 99%. Now I need to add 11% of this to this. So this is 0.00. So what is it? Okay, not 0.00. We will have two decimal places. So 2 plus 3, 5. So 52 will come after decimal. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. And then 2. So this is 11% of 21432. So just add them. This is 8, 6, 0. And then 1 carry means 9 plus 5, 14, 4. 1 carry means 4 and 2. So 2440.68. And I need to subtract something from this, so I don't put a line here. So what is 25% of this? Take half of this. This is 380, and take half of that. This is 190. So just subtract 190 from the result. You are going to get your final answer. 0.68 will be there, so 0. And then 1 carried means 5, and then 3 minus 1 is 2, and then we have a 2. So 2250.68 was the exact answer which you have given me, and I think that's the answer which I was expecting also. So 2250.68. So where is the first correct answer? Oh, okay, Bharat Prasad. I don't know what's going on there. There's some problem with Shalu Chadda. So I've given 2 warnings to Shalu Chadda before. So this is the final warning. And after this, I'll be deleting the name on the channel. Okay, so let's see the analysis of the answers. 2250.68. Where is that first correct answer? 2250.68. It's Vara Prasad. Very well done, Vara Prasad. You don't need to argue with anybody there. You know, just concentrate on your skills, and you are there on the top always. And then we have Tushar Chauhan coming up with the correct answer, although difference of 0.01, but never mind. Guru Surya, very well done. Shalu, you got it right, but don't indulge in arguments, please. Okay, Sumati Saha, very well done. And then Shubham Adhurya, this is also correct. Then Pratham Vasist also. So these are the prominent names who gave me the correct answer for this particular um, stream. And we all know, how we are on the channel, and how we behave, and what kind of comments we post. I request everybody to just stick to mathematics, and that's what we all are here for. And um, kindly do not comment on anybody. This is not a platform wherein we concentrate on other things except mathematics. So please follow that instruction. And yes, everybody is a friend there. Okay, Bharat Prasad, if you say I accept that, okay, if you all are friends, some people have been telling me Shalu Chadda, Shalu Chadda, so that's why. Okay. Okay, friends, thanks for being a part of this amazing live stream today, friends. So it's Dr. Suresh Agarwal signing off for today, for this amazing live stream which was possible because of you. And I'll expect your company tomorrow also in the live stream. And if you have not promoted the channel, kindly share the link with your friends so that we can have a larger audience. So it's good night from Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts YouTube channel, and I hope you all stay blessed.